checking temperatures, offering hand sanitizer, and equipped with an air filter. This robot can also sterilize handsets or other personal items in a built-in compartment. The theme of the robot trade fair this year is about smart manufacturing, and 753 companies showcase their products, ranging from industrial hardware to consumer applications. There was also a section focusing on disease prevention, with robots and the latest technologies that can offer solutions in the field. According to the company behind the robot, it can be controlled with an app on mobile devices. It was just one of several companies that presented their robots at the fair. One of Taiwan's leading manufacturers, Teco Corp, also had its robots, which were created amid the COVID-19 outbreak, roaming the floor of the trade show.
In weeks, we used our existing automated guided vehicles and installed either ultraviolet light tubes or sanitizer sprayers on top of them. The ones with ultraviolet light tubes can be used in public spaces, such as department stores or shopping malls, for thorough cleaning during the night when the stores are closed. For the ones equipped with sprayers, we're using super alkaline ionized water, which is 10 times more powerful than alcohol in killing germs. All our robots have ultraviolet lights installed underneath them, which adds another layer of protection. You can set up a parameter for the robot, and it will plan its route autonomously and sterilize that area.
During the trade show, companies actually put their robots to work to help check visitors' temperatures and sterilize the showground. Apart from the robots, the trade fairs in Taipei also focused on technologies involving 5G, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. The various products of automation are aimed at assisting companies to improve manufacturing processes and efficiency. CNA, Taipei.